Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to start a Ceph Assistant free trial. Ceph Assistant is a web application that helps dentists make quick and precise cephalometric analyses. You don't have to download anything. As long as you have an internet connection and a notebook, you can make your analyses whenever you want, wherever you are. To start the Ceph Assistant free trial, click on the Register button. Add your email address, your full name, and create a secure password. You can also provide the name of your praxis. Starting a free trial doesn't require credit card information. Once you have filled in your details, accept the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and click on the Register button. Check your inbox. We have sent you a confirmation email. Please be patient. It can take around 10 seconds. There it is. Open your email and click on the confirmation button. And that was it. Welcome on board. Now you can make 3 free analyses with Ceph Assistant.